Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to install Google Classroom app to your PC. You can do this on Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7. Let's get started. First you have to go to Google Classroom site. I will put the link in the description for that. When you go to it, click on Go to Classroom and enter your Gmail and click on Next and enter your Gmail password. And click on Next. Now click on Continue. After that, go to the Google Classroom extension. I will put the link in the description for that also. And now click on Add to Chrome. After that, click on Add App. Now you can see it is automatically opening. After that, there you can see Google Classroom. Then right click on it and click on Open as Window. And after right click on it and there click on Create Shortcuts. And they are set according to you. And click on Create. Now close. And now you can see there is Google Classroom shortcut also. Like that you can join the class and create class. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching my video.